So here we have the blanks for our top plate. The solid starting, we had a piece burned and the surface ground and had 3 holes for the cylinder location started. But now we need to finish this up. So we'll go over to the machine center and I will show you how we go about programming everything that we had on the solid model into the machine and making the final part. So this is one of our centers here. With the controls that we have on this machine, we are capable of dragging all that information that you saw in the solid modeling into here simply by taking that DXF that I mentioned and going into an editor mode. And what I'm going to do in editor is I'm going to go find that one drawing. We have quite a few of them. Sheet 11 is where we have the top plates. So we have a starboard and a port top plate. We're going to work off this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in on this part. The machine does not know where to start, so a simple thing can be done. We give it a 0 point, that's our datum. And so what I'm going to do is go into parameters. I'm going to say I'm going to move to 0, and I want the 0 to be this corner. And if I hit accept, now the machine knows that everything is going to be referenced off that point. And I can get out of this, and you can see that our little point is now 0, 0 in that top left corner. So now what do we do? Well, we can go around and we can select the holes to make all the holes on the perimeter. So what we're going to do is go into something called Build PB, and we have a drop down. Here we can go into something holes, and we can use several methods to pick the holes. I'm just going to go with hole locations, and what you're going to see is wherever I touch, any hole I touch is going to change color. If I touch that one, it puts a little X in the middle of it. And I can keep going around here, and I can select all the points that I want the machine to drill. These are going to be all my spot drills, so I'm going to select everything around the outside here. And I've got them all. I'm going to leave the inside for now and just concentrate on the perimeter. We've got them. I can say accept, and it's asking me, how do you want them? Default order is fine. So what has happened now is this machine has taken everything I just poked on this side of the screen in DXF mode, and it has given me 18 drill locations for the machine to drill. And all those locations, if I poke on this, you'll see that all the locations are now in the machine. I did not enter a single value. That's directly out of my CAD program. I can also do circles. So if I come in here, I can come in and I can say now I want to come in here and say that I want to mill a circle. And if I pick circles, once again, I can select the circle that I want. Immediately turns from the color of the original screen to a separate color to let me know that I have selected it. And I'm good with that, accept it. I now have a drop-down menu to add the tooling that I want to put in, how far above the part I want to start. If I want to start 0.025 above the part, I can do that. We're going down minus 0.75. The machine knows where the corner is, it knows where the surface of the part is. I'm only going to enter in the crucial information, which here is I want that pocket to be, this outer pocket to be 3/4 of an inch down. And I can come in, I can select the tool that I want to do it, the type of cutting I want to do, whether it's just an outside cut, inside cut, or a pocket. And then I give it the feeds and speeds that I want it to run at. This machine is very powerful. We can do odd shape profiles. We can do anything that we can put into solid modeling in this machine. And when we're finally done, we've already run one of these parts. You can see over here, this is what we ended up with. So just by simply selecting the points, we were able to tell it how we want to drill the holes, how deep, what size tool. We've put in the pockets at 3/4 of an inch deep, and then we have 2 3/4 bore going through the rest of the way. And then we have 3 bushing locations. These are cylinder bolt locations. And all of this was done without entering a single number, bringing it in off the CAD. So kind of the demonstration for today, and just a flavor for what we can do here. A few more parts that we put together for this press. Over here you can see that we've made some teardrop shapes, so these are odd shapes. We had to make some connecting flanges for the cylinder rod. These go on here. And this is a progression. We show just the blank that we've made for a cylinder sleeve mandrel, which is what this press is designed to do, is press cylinder sleeves into an aluminum block. So we have a cap. We have the inside, we had a machine out, and what happens with that is we've made keys that go inside these pockets. So this is going to slip forward, and when it does that, it's going to catch features in the sleeve that orient it in the perfect position to be pressed into the block. But from this is just kind of a good demonstration of all the different size and shapes that we can do here with this machine, being the large plates down to the small details, aluminum details, strange pieces for putting proximity switches on, things of that nature. So anyway, just a little demonstration, a little bit what we can do here, and we'll end it with that.